Hello friends, welcome to Fource tutorials. This is your friend Ganesh. The topic that we'll be looking at today is definition list. I have covered ordered list and unordered list in my previous videos. So let's look into a definition list. DL tag is used to define a definition list. It also contains DT and DD tags. DT is to define the term, while DD tag is used to define the term's definition. One of the best examples to understand what a definition list looks like is your pizza menu card. Okay, we'll try to make one today. So let's get into the practical part of it. So from a definition list, I need to have a DL tag, and at the same time we'll also add the closing. Now for every definition term, let's say this is where I will put my pizza's name. So let's just make it look a bit attractive. Let me tell it, say veggie delight. Now to mention what all will be the different toppings, let's say onion, capsicum, and green chilies. Now I want few more pizzas, so I'll just copy paste this. Let's make and let's have one non-veg. Let's change the ingredients, the toppings. And the last part, chili chicken, onions, and tomatoes. Let's save this. So there you can see. I'll just zoom it for you. My veggie delight, paneer overloaded, and classic chicken. Let's do a bit of change. Let me say H1. Let me refresh it. Okay, so it's a Fource pizza menu. So this is how your definition list works. Hope this video was useful to you. If you like the video, hit the like button. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe. Also, hit the bell icon for instant notifications. Thank you. Have a great day.